Good job.
Mackenzie's eating her breakfast oatmeal with her spoon. Mmm. Did it good, Mackenzie? Mmm. Take another bite. See how big you are. Good girl. Mmm. Breakfast at Mackenzie's.
We'll have to put this one on YouTube. Almost. Yeah, put it back and try again. And try again. Almost. She's like, why are you guys just staring at me?
It's so cute.
Can you scoop it? Scoop it. Scoop. There you go. Scoop it.
That's cave girl style.
Good job. Yes. Scoop it. Scoop, just like that. No.
Use your spoon.
She's like, I'm too hungry to use the spoon.
Use your spoon, Mackenzie. Good girl. Well. Okay. Okay, signing off.
Say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So where are we going? I'm eating. Don't bother me. Okay. Bye.